welcome back to my channel, Reign Supreme, and thank you for taking the time to get ready with me, Queen. So let's get right to it. If you want to see how I got this look, 50 shades of gold, please stay tuned. My highlight is lit, my face is beat, and I'm feeling good. So if you want to feel royal too, please stay tuned and view this video. Thanks for all the comments and likes and subscribers on my last video. Every like is appreciated. Every comment is taken seriously. And I want you to know that I truly appreciate you. Some of the comments that I get is that I'm not looking directly to you, which you can see that I'm working on. So I really appreciate you for taking the time to visit my channel, coming along with me on my journey as I do my thing. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. And once again, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right to it. So here guys, I'm just blending out the concealer that I use to do my eyebrows, which is a LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Chestnut, and I also use my Real Techniques concealer brush. And then I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow base to my eyelid and a little bit above, so that way my eyeshadow can stay. The vibrations I don't need, not enough of it. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. The color eyeshadow that I'm using here is in a milk chocolate. My heart damaged to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, focus on communicating. The next color I will be using is Semi-Sweet in the same Too Faced palette. The next color I will be using is called En Fuego, and it's in the Naked Heat palette. I just apply this into my crease. They do have creasing brushes. The reason why I'm not naming these brushes is because I got them from Sephora a long time ago. It really was as a present, and they don't have a name. So I just used a more dense brush and I just applied that color into the crease of my eyelid. Focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place. So guys, this is actually a crease shading brush. I actually use it to blend out my eyeshadow. I do not put any product on it. I just go over the crease of my eye to make sure that my eyeshadow is blended correctly. So the next color I will be using is a chocolate gold, which is in the chocolate gold Too Faced palette, and the brush I'm using is actually a shading brush that is made by Real Techniques. The next color I will be using is called Classy and Sassy in the same chocolate gold palette. The next color I will be using is Decadent in the same chocolate gold palette. It's the same as just a regular black eyeshadow. I'm using this to smoke out the end of my eye, and I also apply it into the crease of my eye to give more depth.
location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but
applying this color Rich Girl into my inner eyelid, my tear duct, and going into my lower lash line. Just be applying my foundation. I do use MAC foundation in NC55. I am also using a stippling brush to apply my foundation. If you want to know how I apply my foundation, what brushes I use, any other techniques that I use, the first video that I've made, this is only my fourth video, but I go into much more detail about applying my foundation. So in this video, it's just sped up a little bit, but if you would love more information, you can definitely visit that video. It's Natural with a Little Sparkle is the name of the video. So I'm going to use that same LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Chestnut, and I'm just going to use that to highlight my face.
Your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place.
And do not forget to use a setting spray on your beauty blender to blend out your concealer and to give it more of a natural look. I just wanted you to know that my beauty blender is damp because I use setting spray that helps spread out and blend out the concealer. And then I will use the color Chocolate in my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Please excuse how messy it looks. I will clean it up, but I am using the color Chocolate. Here I just use my Face Experts brush, which is the best brush I could have ever purchased, and it helps blend out my contour and my highlight. It's no product on the brush. I just take the brush how it is and I just use it in a circular motion on my contour. I do use swipes a little bit, but it really helps blend out and give a natural finish of what I'm looking for. So this Face Experts brush is made by Real Techniques. Just highlight underneath my contour and I go ahead and I blend that out.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause then
I go into my mineralizing finish powder in the color Dark by MAC. This gives me also a natural look once it's applied and done, so that way it doesn't look like I have too much makeup on. It looks like my natural skin.
Sometimes I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn me to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but.
This is NYX gel eyeliner, and it's in the color Black Ink.
Focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place.
I go back in with the color Semi Sweet, and I'm going to just shade out and smudge my bottom eyeline with the brown. I know this is a classic, but Gold Deposit from MAC will forever be my favorite. So that is the highlighter that I'm using today.
I don't need nothing else to bring. I don't. Send me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to bring. I don't. Your location, focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through.
And this highlighter is Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, of course by the lovely Rihanna. And what I love about this highlighter is that even if I don't use too much, it gives me the extra sparkle that I need. It's so lit. And then I don't use too much because for me it's very pigmented and it comes on really strong. So if you notice, I just lightly apply it to my face. But it definitely gives me that extra that I'm looking for. This color is by MAC and it's called Uniformly Fabulous is the name of the liquid lipstick by MAC, and then I use a current lip liner pencil.
With you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage.
And then I go in and I set my face with my D-Slick setting spray by Urban Decay.
And